Have you ever pondered on the challenges businesses face when trying to connect databases to visualization tools? In the realm of data analysis, this is a common problem that can hinder the decision-making process. Meet Jack and Harry, a tech mogul in New Zealand's retail industry. He found himself entangled in this very predicament. His MongoDB database, brimming with valuable information, was waiting to be visualized on a Power BI dashboard. But alas, the ODBC connectors he'd hoped to use were incompatible with his subscription level. The quest for a cost-effective solution had begun. Enter Blackcoffer, a global IT consulting firm with a reputation for providing top-notch solutions. Their mission: to bridge the gap between Brody's MongoDB database and his Power BI dashboard. Utilizing Python, the team at Blackcoffer crafted a strategy to extract the necessary data from Brody's database. The Pandas library, known for its high-performance, easy-to-use data structures, was employed to create data frames. These data frames were then uploaded as tables into Azure Blob Storage, a service for storing massive amounts of unstructured data. But the Blackcoffer team didn't stop there. They set up an Azure pipeline, a fully managed cloud service that automates the build, test, and deploy phases of your release process. This pipeline was configured to run a Python script every 30 minutes, ensuring that the tables were consistently updated with fresh data from the database. The result, a CSV file that was not only readable but also contained the converted data from the original JSON format, ready to be displayed on the Power BI dashboard. The main technical challenge faced during this project was bypassing the need for ODBC connectors. However, Blackcoffer's solution, which involved using Python and Azure Blob Storage, successfully overcame this hurdle, providing a streamlined and cost-effective way to connect Brody's MongoDB database to his Power BI dashboard. The impact of this solution was significant. Jack and Harry could now visualize his data without the hefty expense of ODBC connectors. The Azure Blob Storage solution was not only more cost-effective, but also provided him with up-to-date information every 30 minutes. In summary, Blackcoffer, with the help of Python and Azure Blob Storage, provided a solution that allowed Jack and Harry to connect his MongoDB database to his Power BI dashboard. This solution bypassed the need for expensive ODBC connectors, offering a more cost-effective and efficient method. The impact of this solution was evident in its ability to provide up-to-date information at a higher frequency, aiding in data-driven decision-making. Remember, when faced with a similar challenge, there are always solutions out there. You just have to find the right team to implement them.